It's about to get interesting. I see 1, 2 chipmunks over there and Boomer's behind me. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, guys. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on. Oh, here, Boomer. Here, Chippy Chippy. Oh, yeah, the other one. The other two found each other and there's a little chippy chase going on. Oh, one just ran up in the lilac bush. Okay, Boomer. Okay. Come here, Chip Chip. The only one I know that climbs a lilac bush is Little Boy. Let's go find out. Come on, Chip Chip. Hi, buddy. Hi, Chippy Chippy. Hi, Chip Chip. What are you doing, honey? Hi, little boy. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come here, dude. Come on. Come here. Come on, Chip Chip. Look. Come on, little boy. I haven't seen you in a week. Come on. Come on, honey. Come here. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come on. I can't feed you in the tree, honey. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here, buddy. Come here. Hurry up before Boomer gets up here. Come on. That's my boy. Little boy, I haven't seen you in a long time. Yeah. Yeah. Take that big one. Okay? All right, little boy. Be just like Boomer to sneak up on me while I'm feeding one. Yep, that's exactly what's going to happen. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come here, Boomer. He tried. Come on, Boomer. Come here, Boomer. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come here. You tried to sneak up on me, didn't you? Here. Look. I'm dropping him, Boomer. So there's a third chipmunk, but I don't know where that one went. Probably got run off by a little boy. Yeah, Boomer. Is that one all right, Boomer? Or do you want this one? Here. It doesn't have any holes in it, Boomer. Boomer. Yeah, I got kind of busy here for a second.